Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in the previous session, we were discussing a new chapter from geography part, that is resources. So, from the chapter we discussed, we understood what are resources. So, resources are the things, materials which we find in our surroundings, and these materials are the things are mainly used in order to satisfy our needs and demands. So the materials, things which we use and which makes us to be satisfied, they are going to be called as, or they are going to be identified as resources. So for that we gave different examples like air we breathe, water we drink, food we consume, cloth we wear, and different kind of materials which we use in order to be satisfied. They are going to be called as resources. And in utilizing the resources, we came to know clearly that man is the central part. He is the person, one who is modifying, changing, converting the resources found in our surroundings as per our needs, demands and expectation, and even as per our dreams. So man with his knowledge, with his skill, with the adaptation of technology, with using different tools, things, materials and others, he goes on modifying, changing the available resource which he find in his surroundings. So after discussing about the resources in today's session, let us continue our discussion from the chapter types of resources. Types of resources. So all the things, all the materials which we use from our surroundings to satisfy our needs and demands, they are further categorized, classified into different type of resources. Hence, the available resource are categorized into three different types, namely natural, so the different materials, things which we use from our nature or from our environment to satisfy our needs, demands and to fulfill our work. So the available resources in our surroundings are categorized into three types, namely natural resources, human resources and human made resources. ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸರದ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಳಸತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಿವಿಧ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು, ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ತೃಪ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಕಾರದ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳಾಗಿ ನಾವು ವಿಂಗಡಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೇಮ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್, ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳು; ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್, ಮಾನವ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳು; ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್, ಮಾನವ ನಿರ್ಮಿತ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us discuss one by one. What are natural resources? What are human resources? And what are the other resources? First, we will discuss about natural resources. Natural resources, the term natural itself gives an hint, a simplest feeling to us. The resources are going to be obtained, taken out, used directly from the nature. So natural resources are the things, the materials which we are going to draw which we are going to take from the nature. And the things which we are going to take from the nature, they are not much modified. Not modified or converted. These things, these resources are going to be used in their original form or as it is. They are natural resources. I repeat once again. Natural resources are the things, materials which we obtain, which we take directly from the nature and use them without much more modification, conversion, and they are going to be used in their original form or as it is. They are natural resources. Example, the water which we drink, the air which we breathe, the soil, the mineral, the rocks, and the others, we go on using as it is in their original form. Hence, these are natural resources, and some resources are mainly faced little modification and conversion in using timely whenever they are required. So they are also going to be called as natural resources. For example, the rocks which we are going to be obtained from the nature, we cannot use as it is in their original form all the time. So we go on changing its size, its dimension, and its other factors, and we go on using. So hence rock is also going to be natural resources. Then natural resources are further categorized, classified into different categories or different groups based on level of development, then based on usage or use, based on origin, stock, based on distribution. So natural resources are the things, materials which we use directly